In this video, I will show you how to unsend invite message on Instagram. Open Instagram in a web browser by typing instagram.com in the address bar. Log in to your Instagram account. Click on the chat icon in the bottom right corner of the page. Select the chat containing the invitation message. Tap on the message you want to unsend. You'll see 3 dots appear next to the message. Click on the 3 dots. Select Unsend from the menu. Confirm that you want to unsend the message. By following these steps, you can easily unsend an invitation message on Instagram and keep your chat section clean. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.